so welcome to today's unboxing. It's from Louis Vuitton and it's going to be a double unboxing. So let's go into the unboxing now. Okay, so let's see what's in this first Louis Vuitton bag. I'm going to take it out. So we've got the receipt here and we have the box. So let's take the ribbon off. Let's take the ribbon off and see what's inside this one. We have one, you've guessed it guys, SLG. Now this is from the Louis Vuitton collaboration with NIGO. So this pocket organizer is Virgil Abloh and NIGO's collaboration. It's made from the giant damier ebene canvas and it features a duck with LV made on its back. The compact all-in-one wallet boasts numerous side pockets and pockets. So we've got a pocket here, guys. We've got a pocket here. We've got some card slots here. We've got another pocket here. And as you can see, if I take this out, that pocket there and that pocket there. And this is what it looks like at the back. And we have another pocket, which I find super handy. So here's what it looks like this way. And here's what it looks like this way. It's awesome. All right, so again, let's shoot this in the natural sun so you can see it clearly, guys. So we've got the LV made duck, it's so cute. And I'm just gonna open it up one more time in the sunlight so you can see all the pockets. So here we go, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3 card slots. And always, I love a good pocket on the back of any SLG. So that's what it looks like. Again, in the natural sun, we have this. I love this Louis Vuitton font, it's super cool. And again, here it is on the inside. Thing I should tell you guys, because I know a lot of you might want to know, this one is actually made in Spain. Now this one is a cool one to add to my collection because I don't have any of these card holders in this style. Now this is obviously the men's collection, but I think ladies, you could rock this too. I think it's a very versatile piece. It could fit a lot of cards and money and cash in it. So yeah, I feel like this one's very unisex and super cool. Okay, so here is the second piece of Louis Vuitton that I got in my double unboxing. Again, let's take the ribbon off and see what's in this one, guys. All right, so we're getting the ribbon off, opening up the box. Now this is something very different. It comes with a little dust bag, which is super cute. And this is a bracelet. Not only is it a bracelet, but it's a customized one. So it's like got the alphabet letters. So I've got it in my name, Donna. Instead of the O, I've chosen the heart, which I think is super cute. Now this is a really new piece to Louis Vuitton, and yeah, I think it's adorable. So here again, it's a close-up of the letters. They're in gold. I like the font, it's super minimal. Now this attaches at the back with 2 buttons here, and it's super comfortable to wear. And then this is how you put it on. Just press the button in, so it's really easy to put on, and yeah, off you go. And I thought, just for an idea of how you could stack this, I've got them here with my Cartier Love bracelets. So these are in the gold and the rose gold actually. But yeah, it's just a super cute piece. I think it's quite unique. You can make it your own. So again, guys, here's a close-up of how it all looks. Again, it's my Cartier Gold Love bracelets in gold and rose gold, but they match perfectly with this gold font in the Louis Vuitton, which I think is so cute. And I think, yeah, this is just another good piece to have. It's very unique and you can make it your own.